तो समोसे, टिक्की छोले, कबाब, लस्सी, डोसा, मिठाइयाँ, मुंह में पानी आ रहा है। चलो आज आपको बताते हैं कि आप क्या क्या खाते हो when you eat all this.
Hello, friends. My name is Rupinder Singh with 3 decades of experience in corporate leadership and entrepreneurship. Still a kid at heart, never ready to give up. Father of 2 college going kids and married to a superwoman. I love challenges, travel, and fun. Have fire in the belly and spread it around.
See, today's lifestyle is like that. We will have to eat outside sometimes or later. But it's really unfortunate that जो लोग ये खाना बनाते हैं, they are the mostly the workers, they are the most illiterate people. तो उनको बता दिया जाता है ये केमिकल डालना, ये डालना, ये डालना, और आपको खाना बहुत डिलीशियस लगता है। जब लगातार खाते हो, मुंह फूला होता है, it plays havoc in your body. And see, I'm not an expert in this field, but I'm related somehow, and I talk to a lot of my friends who are into food industry, and this is something which is shocking. When you eat from outside, what you are eating is emulsifiers, preservatives, dyes, artificial colors, humectants, drying agents, artificial sweeteners, bleaches, neutralizers, disinfectants, thickeners, anti-foaming and anti-caking agents, alkalizers, deodorants, extenders, gases, conditioners, hydrogenators, hydrolyzers, maturers, sulfites, sulfur dioxide, fumigants, antifungal preservatives, stabilizers, texturizers, antibiotics, steroids, and even irradiation. So now think of this, when this all will go inside, it will play havoc. लस्सी पी रहे हो, लेकिन अंदर जाके जो बॉडी की लस्सी बना रहा है वो can't even imagine. And problem, as I said, most of the workers वो नूडल बना रहा है, मोमोज बना रहा है, उसको पता है कि ये केमिकल सस्ते से सस्ता, घटिया से घटिया, ये केमिकल बड़ा अच्छा स्वाद देता है, वो चुटकी भर डालेगा, वो चमचा भर के डाल रहा है. He's not aware what he's feeding you. So my point here is, you cannot avoid eating from outside, but you have to be very careful how you can get exposed lesser and lesser. And how about आजकल वो सब eat fit. Oh really? ये सब बिजनेस है क्या? वो घर पे बना रहे हैं? नहीं, कहीं से बनवा के इधर उधर से they are just trying to get the market by advertising. So think about this. दिखाओ पे ना जाओ, अपनी अक्ल लगाओ. All the best.